Are you ready to rock and roll? I received so many emails from women just like you telling me how much they enjoy our workouts. Michaelia wrote that she lost 4 pounds since she started, so let's push it today. Today, as always, we'll start with a warm-up. Then we'll do 3 sets of 6 exercises. As always, we'll have active rest for 15 seconds in between each exercise. Today's 6 exercises are jumping jacks, lateral jumps, sumo squats, back and front lunges, V-ups, and walk down push-ups and 1 push-up. We will work our thighs and lower abs mostly. We'll burn lots of fat, so do not stop. Push with me. Now, let's start the warm-up. As you see, my warm-up is almost the same. Nothing fancy, just preparing our bodies to melt fat for the next 15 minutes. As you see, I start with my neck with left, right, up, down motions. You can even do circular motions. Then to your shoulders, circular motions. I also bent my knees a little. Going down in a lunge position while I stretch my upper body. Hold for a few seconds. Then, change to your other leg. Now, we're going to our legs, doing some slow squats combined with calf raises. Moving down to our ankles, doing circular motions. Now, let's start the timer and we'll start with 30 seconds of jumping jacks. And active rest for 15 seconds, followed by lateral jumps. They are great for your lower body, so push for 30 seconds. Active rest for 15 seconds, followed by 30 seconds of sumo squats. also lift my arms when I squat because this way my shoulders work as well. Active rest for 15 seconds, followed by 30 seconds of back and front lunges. Make sure you change your leg after 15 seconds. Active rest for 15 seconds and V-ups for another 30. Keep on going! We only have a little till we actively rest. Great job! 15 seconds of active rest, followed by walk down push-ups. I do the push-ups on my knees, however, you are free to do it normally. The first set is almost over. We have 2 more to go and we're done for today. We'll start again with jumping jacks. Active rest for 15 seconds. Active rest for 15 seconds. We are in the middle of our workout, so come on. We only have 7 minutes to go. Active rest for 15 seconds. Make sure you change your leg after 15 seconds. Active rest for 15 seconds and V-ups for another 30. Keep on going! We only have a little till we actively rest. Great job! 15 seconds of active rest. Actively rest for 15 seconds, and we're done with our second set and have only one to go. Jumping jacks. Active rest for 15 seconds. Active rest for 15 seconds. Active rest for 15 seconds. Breathe for 15 and 2 more rounds to go, and we're done for today. Keep on going! Great job! 15 seconds of active rest. Okay, let's finish this round of active rest and we are done. Great job! Let's stretch a little bit. We'll start each stretching with our shoulders. Hold on each position for at least 5 seconds. I really want you to breathe as deeply as you can during our stretching because you'll have so much more energy afterwards. Fill your lungs with air and then empty them. Bend over your left leg and hold for a few seconds. And then to your right leg. At the same time, imagine that you are on the beach in your bikini. You can feel your feet touching the warm sand and you are so slim and fit that everybody is smiling to you. Now, let's sit down and do another stretching move for our back and hold for a few seconds. Going into the Cobra pose. Bent over your left leg, hold for a few seconds. And then, when you feel it's enough, move to your right leg. Great job today! We have a few workouts left and we're going to phase 2, where we'll sculpt your body. See you tomorrow for another great workout!